So the fort of Gwalior was handed over to the Rani of Jhansi by Scindia's army. Battles were fought by her against the British. When the British forces became overwhelming, Scindia's representatives advised the brave queen to leave Gwalior safely. But the English forces continued to chase her. The Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai, was unsurpassed in bravery. But facing defeat, she made valiant efforts to escape on horseback. However, a loyal mare gave up its life and fell. The queen was badly wounded and died a heroic death. In later years, Gwalior continued to flourish under the umbrella of the great Scindia dynasty. The princely state of Gwalior reached new heights in the fields of arts, creativity, and music. In the end, the armies of Lodi discovered a tunnel and entered the fort, tearing through the security cover of the Rajputs. In 1843, the two armies confronted each other in Maharajpur, but this time, Scindia's army fought alone, and he lost the battle. Ancient traditions of Gwalior and the values of Hinduvi Swaraj. It was his vision to open good schools and to develop the city industrially and commercially. He laid beautiful flower gardens which adorn the city even today.
Killed Mahatji Scindia in the battlefield of Panipat. Bishti Rane Khan, a Muslim. This, my friend, is the beauty of the Indian Ganga Jamuni culture.
Tradition of women's empowerment in the progressive Maratha Empire. Girls were given knowledge and skill in arms, ammunition, studies, and scriptures alike.
Your clothes and shoes should not make a single sound. I have understood that the Gwalior fort is the key to Hindustan.
Belsa, Muhad, Saranpur, Kularas, Shivpuri, Allahabad, and the saffron flag. We have pushed the Afghan army across the Indus River, have tamed the Mughals under our supremacy. Our power has been established all over India.
Immediate effect, and the Singhast Kumbh should be started again in Ujjain. Say, Har Har Mahadev! Har Har Mahadev! Har Har Mahadev!
After Veer Ranoji, his son Mahatji Scindia took up the saffron flag of Swaraj, winning Gwalior back in 1765, taking Delhi in 1771, then Lahore, and even Attock, which is now in Pakistan. Soon the saffron flag, with a serpent emblem symbolizing the great Scindia dynasty, was seen across India. Mahatji Scindia once again gave the clarion call for freedom from enslavement in India.